Here's how to set up macros on BlueStacks to automate repetitive tasks. With BlueStacks open and your app ready on screen, look at the right sidebar and find the macro icon. It typically looks like a small recorder or play symbol. Click it to open the macro panel. Click Record. From this moment, BlueStacks captures your mouse movements, taps, key presses, and timing exactly as you perform them. Plan your sequence mentally beforehand so the timing feels natural. Now perform your macro. Click buttons, type if needed, and navigate menus smoothly without long hesitations. Make sure your screen layout stays stable throughout the recording. When you have completed the sequence, click Stop in the macro panel. BlueStacks will save the recording to your macro list with a default name. You can preview it and re-record if anything feels off. To make it easy to use, select your new macro and assign a hotkey combination like Ctrl-Shift-M, choosing something that does not conflict with your game controls. Press your shortcut anytime to instantly replay the exact sequence, including all the original timing, automating tasks like logging in or collecting daily rewards. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.